Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new on my channel, my name is Kadeja, and in today's video we're back with another wig install. Today we'll be working with Nadula here. The wig we're installing today is their brown highlighted kinky straight unit, and this unit is a 13 by 4. This is what the unit looks like. It already came with the adjustable band. I'm just gonna go ahead and move along to the install. I did receive some gifts in my package as well. So let's go ahead and install. So the first thing I'm about to do is to put a wig cap on. They did send us a wig cap, but I already have one open. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use that one. The next thing I'm about to do is to apply some foundation to the lace. This is what our lace looks like without the foundation. Just gonna apply a little bit of foundation, cut the lace off at the back, and then just put our wig on. So this is what the lace looks like now that we added the foundation. Let's go ahead and put our wig on. So this is our wig. This is what it looks like. Now that we put it on, I really love this color. I feel like it matches my skin so good. So let's go ahead and install our unit. So today I will be using the Even Wonder Lace Bond glue to install our unit. So before I glue the unit, I cut it into 3 just to make it easier when I'm gluing. I'll just go section by section. So this is it, and I'm just gonna go ahead and apply the lace underneath. But what I'm gonna do is to remove the makeup that I have on in that area that I'll be applying the glue to, because it tends to get a little bit tacky and dirty. So I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the makeup before I apply the glue. So I'm just gonna let this dry, let it sit for around 10 to 15 minutes, take it off, and then style the unit. It is a straight unit, but I feel like I want to do something a little bit extra out of the norm. So I'm just gonna wait till this dries and then we finish up the unit. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take this off. This is it. Now let's cut the excess lace off. Alright guys, so I cut the excess lace off and this is what it's looking like. So in order to give it that really melted look, I'm just going to go ahead and apply the glue to the end of my rat tail comb and then just press it in tie it down one more time, and it will give it that really nice melt. So this is what it's looking like. Let's go ahead and do it, and then I'll show you guys the before and after, and you can let me know in the comments if you see a difference, okay? So this is what it's looking like after I applied the glue. And I'm just going to go ahead and style the unit. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I love how this turned out. Like, it is super pretty. This is it. Super soft. Overall, it was super easy to install. I love the fact that I could straighten it that easily, because normally with the Kinky unit, it takes a really long time to straighten it or curl it. So I love how easy that was. It lays really good. I managed to keep it super natural at the roots, and this is it. It is super pretty. I love it. This is the final look. If you want to get this unit, then go ahead and click that link in my description. This is where I'll leave you guys for today. If you like this video, of course, give it a thumbs up, leave some comments down below. Let me know how you feel about this unit, about this style, and most importantly, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in another video.